super, Cedra.
Bully world, what's going on? We back, man. I'm telling you, I know I've been gone for a good little minute. But yeah, I do got an update. I mean, I'm pretty sure y'all probably seen the thumbnail already anyway. But we do have puppies. Unfortunately, all of them sold. I have another breeding coming up, but I ain't gonna talk about that breeding. I'm about to talk about this breeding and why I really didn't post them like that. For one, we only got 3. 2 males, 1 female, and it was a repeat breeding from when she didn't take. Onyx didn't take, and I'm about to post them stud and all this stuff right over here. So, and of course we're gonna get to showing y'all the puppies. But Onyx didn't take the first time we bred her. So let me get all this sun in me. Sun on me bad. So I just repeated the breeding when it came back up. And it was pretty much exclusive, just something for the yard. That's why I really didn't post them. My first initial plan was to keep a male. I was gonna keep a male. Cause I gotta give y'all an update on the yard too. So I was gonna keep a male, but she gave me 2 males and 1 female. I already took a deposit on the male and I was waiting. But I'm glad I didn't take one on the female because I ended up choosing the female. So we got 1 female, 2 males again. They over there eating right now, and I'm gonna show y'all the puppies. Let me just give y'all a quick glimpse of them. They eating right now, so as y'all can see, they already got their hair cut. They are 7 weeks old, going on 8. And they gonna be pocket. We got a lilac. I don't even really consider him lilac. I call him fun, like a real tan fun. Him, this one right here. He going to Gainesville, Georgia. This my keeper female, chocolate try. And this male right here staying in Atlanta, chocolate male. And he gonna be nice too. He gonna be real nice. But yeah, that's a quick update on the puppies. When they get done eating stuff, I'm gonna get them individually and show them to y'all so y'all can see them real good. But they doing good. This little been great breeding, came out great, turned out great. It ain't too much I ain't got nothing bad to say about it at all. We did everything we needed to do. I did like 5 progesterone tests because Onyx moving so slow. She moving super slow. So I did 5 progesterone tests that within like a week and a half. Every other day I was doing a progesterone test. I even did one back to back one time. She didn't move at all. I skipped 2 days, she still didn't move at all. Like the number was still the same. So I'm like, okay, what the hell is you doing? But we got it all figured out. And she gave me 3 puppies. I ain't complaining. At all. I don't have nothing bad to say about it. She gave me what she gave me. So let me show y'all these puppies real quick because they are done and they moving around. over there handling his business. He ain't playing around. Beautiful male right here. Beautiful male right here. And this little female, she is staying. She is staying on the yard. They have been to the vet, got all their shots. And they are up to date on shots and dewormed. And they not scared of nothing. They jokers are not scared of nothing. Look at that pretty puppy right there. Come on, girl. Come on, boy. Come on. But let me show y'all the puppies individually so y'all can get a close up on them. All right, y'all. Here he go. All right, I had to make sure the puppies weren't doing that crazy. But yeah, this that fun male. Nice puppy. Look at that wide chest on him. Nice puppy. Y'all know how we do it over here, Fresh Made Bullies. Y'all know exactly how we do it. Gonna be a beautiful puppy. But yeah, he's staying. He going to Gainesville to my dog Tariq. Oh, I left a little stitch in there. Gotta get it out. He gave me hell trying to get his stitches out of here. I promise you he did. All right, here go this chocolate male. He going to my dog Playboy. He will be staying local in the city. Ooh, I got a yellow jacket around here, y'all. Come on. Got a yellow jacket. But yeah, man, here go this beautiful male right here. I ain't gonna hold y'all. I know I like that chocolate. I done grew on that chocolate. Done grew on me. This is my favorite one. Yeah, big old chest. Gonna have a big old head on him. Big old head on that boy. Nice body on him. Big old puppy. Yes, sir. And he will be pocket. This is my pocket little. All right, last but not least, she's staying here. I do got a name for her. I'll tell y'all the name on her own video. Look at that spread on her. Nice spread on that female. Just a pretty puppy. Chocolate try. Why you twisting your body like that? Beautiful puppy. Beautiful, beautiful puppy. Okay, y'all saw the puppies. Now we just about to get them moving around, running around and stuff. And walk them up and down the driveway so y'all can see everything about the puppy. I'm telling you, man, these puppies came out beautiful. They're not scared of nothing. They're not afraid of nothing. And I'm real pleased about this little. So let me show y'all these puppies. Hey, hey, hey. You got some dirt on your face. Come on, boy. Come on, boy. Come on. Hey, hey, hey. Cut it out. Stop. Come here. Be still, bro. So the bloodline on these puppies, they are 2-time Rocco, and I did go with a Veneno stud blood. Tyson Fury. Tyson Fury is an Ilk Man son, and Ilk Man is a Veneno son. So I did an out cross breeding on this one. I didn't stay in the same bloodline. I went to some more well-mounted blood, which I know that Rocco blood is about the best well-mounted blood that you're gonna get in the game. And that Veneno blood is some well-mounted blood too. So you out, bud. The hell out of me. Oh, I dropped them on camera, y'all. Little joker heavy. Come here. He don't want to do right. We'll see if she want to do right. Look at that dog, y'all. Ooh, woo. As y'all know, no high rip. Nothing like that. Nice, beautiful puppy. Nice, beautiful puppy. Come on. Come here, boy. He want to bite. Why you want to nibble on everything? Quick, cut it out. Come here, boy. Trying to get a picture of all three on y'all, but he don't want to do it. But yeah, nice male. Beautiful puppy. But yeah, this is my Tyson Fury and Onyx Little. I'm gonna show y'all Lulu. Lulu is next to be bred. That's gonna be my next video. I'm gonna tell y'all about. Lulu is next to be bred, and it might be soon. Royal, I had to show y'all Royal. I'm gonna just drop a quick picture of Royal. I'm gonna drop like a before and after, cause y'all ain't seen Royal probably the whole time, cause I haven't did no updates on the yard or no new YouTube videos. So I'm gonna show y'all Royal. And make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, man. We gonna get back with y'all. I'm about to start doing updates and dropping more pictures and videos. And if you do follow me on IG, I appreciate you. You already know I had some puppies. If you don't follow me on IG, it's Fresh Made Bullies. As you know, the same as the YouTube. So make sure y'all go check that out. Give me a follow. And I mean, that's how you gonna stay up to date with the up and coming breeding that I got coming up. So I appreciate y'all. They fight. They playing. I ain't gonna say they fighting, they playing. They stay in their box. I let them out the box probably about every 4 or 5 hours. I did keep them in the weapon box a little longer this time instead of rushing them out the weapon box into the drop pan. But that's for another video. I explain everything on another video. But man, we out. I appreciate y'all. Stay tuned. We got more heat coming.